sticks.
A lot of sticks.
Weren't we hurting on sticks at one point?
Why would we be hurting sticks?
Hurting on sticks. Like, we don't have enough, you know. There's multiple cave entrances. We want to check those. Oh.
So...
Coins. No, just coins. You okay?
Yeah, I was trying to get the cart unstuck.
That's fine. You just gotta ram it straight through, you know?
Yeah, is that how you do it?
Just ram her in. Full send. Until you get to the other side. Oh, I can turn this. Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay,
in the
cool.
back.
I can see you, so yeah. I'd seen it move.
Wasn't this your outro?
Outro? Yeah, it was. It's the one that was playing when we picked up the radio.
Oh, yes. I was gonna say, I was like, I knew this sounded familiar.
So I did use it. Yeah. Let's go left through here, around here. There's this little TV symbol.
There's a TV?
Yeah.
Huh. And you think they got like ESPN or
where's
something?
a good place? Probably. If anything, I think they'd have that. Okay, gotta go straight through. Full cinder. Cool.
This is a very
And
interesting
then there's another
perspective.
symbol over to the left. Oh, there's a bunny. Oh, that's a...
What did you hit?
That came up out of nowhere.
Oh,
A
I
little
see.
creek. Yeah. Hey, it's free stuff. C4, grenade. Ammo. And
I can't carry any more
millimeter?
C4?
oh, I can't either. Wow. That's a...
Ooh, 9mm ammo. Why does this
Yeah,
random skeleton have ammo?
I don't know. Alright, we're almost to the TV.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else. These are my friends. This is my life. And this is Dana Point, California.
Why is
So
there
we're
an ad
close
on?
enough to California to get California ads, right?
Pfizer energy drink. Now in
So we're
3
probably in the
flavors.
Pacific?
Thermal grape, bloody
Maybe.
banana, and chillin' cherry. Blast off with
Oh,
Pfizer.
not again! Not again!
Ask you. But I can't even push it from this angle. There we go.
You can when I'm out, yeah. Alright. This time I see it.
This time I see you. First try. It bothers me that you can't access your inventory or anything while you're in the cart.
Yeah, but it makes sense. In a way. You know, you're not gonna just pull out a whole bag full of random stuff.
Yeah, I am. Watch me. Oh, I see the TV now.
Yeah. When you're sitting in the passenger seat, you can press middle mouse button to zoom out or toggle out the camera.
Oh, ooh.
There's a lot of people crawling around us.
Yes, there is. Are they throwing stuff, or is that a you? Oh, there's another
was
golf
me.
cart.
Might have been
It's all
the...
grown over.
Oh, new battery. Golf cart battery.
Nice. So So we did need a golf cart battery. Drink some river water.
Get that strength up. Well, that don't sound good.
See, he's in the tree. They're like bouncing from the trees.
I see. I see. Yeah, you're
well-
definitely just seeing things.
Oh, there's a
buddy.
guy.
Jesus Christ.
It's about sending a message, Eski. Like this. Oh, it threw him through the... Hold on. I was gonna... No,
Yeah,
that'll
you
work.
just go straight through.
Alright.
All right, cool.
So was that the TV
Now there's
then?
yeah,
Maybe I guess that just means like electronic. Like there's something electronic.
maybe. There's something with a wrench as well, so.
I see that.
Coconut cherry.
Coconut cherry.
Protein for when you need it most.
Coconut cherry. On OMG Radio.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else. These are my friends. This is my life. And
This is a very
Dana Point,
precarious way to go.
California.
You,
Fridays at 9 on
need some help?
KXTV.
Could be okay. Just trying to figure out the best way to go.
Probably not into the trees. I'd take a guess.
Probably not. No.
No. Yeah,
That's the tree right there.
path of
We'll
most
find the big
resistance.
Yep. Oh God! No! Not again! Not again! Not again!
Alright, let's see. Oh my god.
Stuck. I'm stuck. Oh my God! Push from the back. There we go. Every time I try to take a shortcut around here, I end up in the creek.
Better not crash it this time. Alright, where did it go? Let's see it.
Yeah. Gotta kind of follow the river. And I think it's on the other side of the river. I was trying to figure out if it was better to cross the river now or get it. Actually, it might be on our side. I don't know. It's hard to tell. No, it is on our side of the river. Okay. We don't have to cross it. There's an X flashing? That's interesting. Okay, I know I was driving precariously, but on the side of rocks. Okay, it works.
Look, I defy physics, okay? You defy sense of logic. I say as I probably crash into a tree. Oh, come on. That's what it takes. Get up there. Yep.
Fizzy energy drink, now in 3 new flavors: thermal grape, floaty banana, and chillin' cherry.
Hey, no collected.
Fizzy.
Gordon. Upton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors going missing. Our workers turning up dead. If you... What the fuck? If you won't deal with the situation, I will. Jianyu.
Oh, I can't wait for you to see that from my perspective. That's so funny. Oh, there's a cave here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. Let me, The hell? Are you breaking stuff?
Yeah, had to break to get in, just like the last one. It gets so dark so quick in here. Skin pouch.
What? Monkey howling? Hold on, I'm gonna open this really quick. It's like opening fleshy Pokemon packs. Oh, I finally got tape.
A lot of rope.
Oh, more tape. You know what that means?
More body parts. Raw oyster.
Means I can finally make a bow soon. There's a lot of rope. A box.
Oyster. Num num. I don't know about this.
It's fine. We got this.
I don't know about this.
We got this.
Oh my god, I don't
How's
know
it
about
up?
this. This is actually... Isn't up? Where's the up?
Oh. This goes into a river?
Oh, the up. I see the up.
Oh, this looks like just a different entrance.
Huh. Okay.
Is the flashing
back down.
X like a cave entrance?
Possibly.
Is that what that means?
Blueprint. For... a ramp with a trap? Bunch of turtle shells. Oh, is it solar panels with turtle shells? Is that what that is?
That would be kind of cool.
Alright, hold up. I gotta pull this up. Glitch mode. That would be really cool if that is what it is. Because why else would it be turtle shells and wires? Is that the entrance that we went in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
So I think this blue blip is a golf cart. So maybe this
Let's see
other
what this
blip
one
is
is.
another golf cart.
Oh, I see another golf cart. Two other golf carts. Another golf cart battery. Another golf cart battery.
Oh shit.
That's precarious. Go backwards. Keep going backwards. I fell into the water. I'm safe.
Hello, motherfucker.
There's a guy here. Hello.
I pushed you out. I sacrificed my life for yours.
Okay, so they're not like functional golf carts. Seems like we have the only functional one.
Well, the blip's further down, isn't it?
Oh, maybe you're right.
Coconut cherry. Future
Coconut
box.
cherry.
Coconut
For when
cherry.
you need it
It is
most.
another golf cart, a working one.
That's so fun. Alright, well now we have to get him home.
Yep.
So it is possible for the go-kart, not the go-kart, the golf cart batteries to die, but it seems
I don't know.
unlikely
Is
unless
it?
it's really cloudy. I haven't even seen
It was
the battery
giving
go
me the
down
option when I
at all.
picked.
Huh?
I've seen them go down tiny bit. But it gave me the option to, like, you know how you can hold E to do something different than just pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
It gave me that option when I was looking at each of those batteries.
Did you just run a guy over casually while
Yeah,
just
yeah,
having
yeah.
a conversation with me?
He deserved it.
I mean, you're right. Oops. The steering on these is very glidey.
Yep. I like it.
It reminds me a lot of like PUBG.
Yeah. I haven't played PUBG in so long. They're supposed to be doing like PlayerUnknown's Underground or something like that. Oh, I did a flip. And I'm okay. There's a red smoke. Red smoke. Care package.
What?
There's a whole camp. There's red smoke. There's a body bag.
Oh my. I
He's
can't-
alive. He's alive.
Who's alive?
Hey. What's up? And he died.
I can't carry all this C4. Oh, big axe.
A modern axe. And a note. Who is Jack Holt? What is he doing here? Puffton didn't have any friends. God, Chuck. Didn't have to say it out loud. We all knew he didn't have any friends. A loser, huh? Meds. Another radio. You can have your own radio. I have mine. A lot of tape. A solar panel
Solar
and
panel.
a cooking pot.
You can pick that up. Oh my god, you can't. The pot! That's how we purify water.
I can't pick up those batteries.
I can't either. Where's the pot?
I was just right over
Oh,
here.
right here.
We're right here.
That's awesome. Man, we got some big stuff. More bottles over here. Let's go ahead and save while we're at it, actually.
Yeah, save. You. I love how it's a big axe, but I'm still one-handing it.
Right?
No, wait, I'm two-handing.
Alright, is there something I can make use of with these C4s right now? Could make a sticky bomb.
Yarrow? There's some new plants here. Health mix for the yarrow. What's the other one? Chicory, yada yada. Horsetail. Horsetail can make health mix plus. Okay.
Alright, I've made some sticky bombs, so now I can pick up some more of this C4. So I'm not leaving all that behind. Alright, now, let's see. Is there anything I can do with these flares? No. Okay,
You can just take them, toss them.
I got my frame. Frames. Why are you wasting flares? I mean, it's not really wasting. We have an
Because-
abundance, but...
We have an abundance, yeah.
Alright. I need to drink some water, but instead... I will eat some of these berries.
Which one was yours? I don't know.
Doesn't matter.
I'll take this one.
Coconut cherry.
Coconut
Coconut
cherry.
cherry.
Go-to for when you need it most.
Alright, how do we get home?
This way. Kind of. Totally not going the opposite way of home.
Oh my god.
Totally not going to this point of interest instead.
Oh my god, Eski.
It's right next to us. Come on, yo.